it is Christine Michelle coming to you with another episode of Aligned Soul TV. And this is episode 8 in the Live Your Best Life Now series, a Law of Attraction 101. And you get to find out, if you watched all of the videos, you realize that it wasn't all about law of attraction. You learned about the law of vibration. You learned about intention, right? In the last video, we talked about intention. We talked about all of the things, and we talked about removing importance, right? One of the most important concepts of bringing anything into your reality, of allowing what's already there, already done, to become yours. It's about taking it off the pedestal and stop making it so important, because you're pushing it away and you're creating resistance, right? So we talked about all of the amazing things. Go back and watch each one of the videos if you haven't watched them. This video, we're going to talk about the 7 things that you are doing that is slowing down this, what is already done, already yours, from unfolding into your reality now. But before we go into that, I want to remind you to subscribe and hit the bell so that you can get notifications for when I have another video, and you'll get notified as soon as it's uploaded, so that you're not in the dark and you can know what's going on and you know what's up. And then also always check in the notes. There's always something that I'm offering. There's always a freebie, something that can get you deeper into the material that's being discussed. And there's also something that I'm offering, whether it's the Aligned Soul Collective. You can join the group that's for women who want to manifest like magic, and then have a support and a community that's all standing behind you. There's nothing too small, nothing too big, and you get to get into these concepts even deeper. Or you have the Aligned Soul Society, which is an amazing, amazing collective of individuals that I love. It's an amazing community where we're all about woo-woo, but all about practical as well. That's what's going on with me. Let's get into the 7 things. It will be a countdown. We'll start at number 7 that you are doing that is slowing down what is already done from unfolding into your reality. Number 7, you aren't clear. You aren't clear about what you desire, right? You haven't really gotten clear enough, a clear enough picture to say, okay, this is how it looks. This is how it feels. And it's important for you to get clear, because that's how you'll know how it looks and feels, so that you can step into it and be that and have it now, because it is available to you now. So number 7 is you aren't clear. Number 6 is you don't believe. Like, you don't believe. You have no belief, no inkling of belief. And as you know, the universe reflects to you what you believe, right? So it cannot allow you to let this reality that is yours, that you are living, unfold into your life now, because you don't believe it. You don't believe it. You put it on the pedestal. You think it's further away from you. You don't believe you have access to it now. You don't believe that it's available to you right now. You don't believe, you don't believe. So that's number 6. Number 5 is you aren't consistent. You are here and there and everywhere. One day you're all like, yes, I know. And the next day you're like, yeah, no, I don't know. Or you're doing you're doing your inspired action. You're setting your intentions every day for like a week. And because things didn't just manifest like that, you're just like, I don't know about it. I'm not going to be consistent. Or I forgot. Oh, I'm so busy. It's all about you being consistent, consistently stepping into what is already yours, consistently feeling and being that person, consistently stepping out the door, and always knowing that this is yours, it's yours now, and feeling it now. That consistency is so important. And then number 4, you're not listening. You're not asking for guidance. You're not listening to your intuition, and you're not taking action. So it's all about listening, tapping into your soul, tapping into your heart, and really asking for guidance to flow through you, and taking the action, taking the aligned soul action that you are inspired to take. So you're not listening and you're not acting. We'll put that together. I feel like that's 2, but we're going to put it in 1. You're not listening and you're not acting. So I'm going to repeat that. That's the 4 that we're going to deal with in this video. You're not clear. You haven't gotten clear. You don't know what the picture looks like. You don't know if somebody asks you what are you creating? What do you desire? What do you want? You don't know. And that's because we've been taught not to ask for what we truly want. We've been taught to think about, oh, this person wants me to want this person wants me to want this, but what do you want for yourself? What do you see your life as? What do you see yourself experiencing, right? So you're not clear. You don't believe. You don't believe it's possible. You don't think it's possible for someone like you. You don't believe this. You don't believe that. You don't truly believe. So the universe cannot reflect back to you something that you don't believe. Number 5, right? 7, 6, 5. You're not consistent. You're not consistent. You do it for a little bit, then you stop. You do it for a little bit, then you stop. You don't create any momentum. You don't truly step into it so that it really truly becomes your norm and that it becomes your energetic set point, that it becomes your vibration. You're inconsistent. You're here, you're there. You're still repeating the same old story. And then you repeat the new story for a couple days, but because it didn't, voila, genie and bottle come to you right there, you give up and then you go back to what's old. You've got to be consistent. And then number 4, the last one for today, you're not listening. You're not listening to your heart. You're not listening to your soul. You're not taking the action that is being brought through you. You're not listening, feeling, acting. Listen, feel it, act it. Listen, act. Listen, act. Everything that you're asking, all of the questions, anything, what's my next step? What do I do? How do I embody this? All of those answers are coming to you constantly within the first 3 seconds of you asking, and you're not listening. And then when you do get things, you sit there and you weigh these pros and weigh these cons, and you do all of this and you get back into the mind. And it's about connecting your mind, your heart, and your soul, your body and your soul together. So when you listen, then act. Listen and then act. Don't logicize. I don't think that's a word, but don't get too logical and get yourself out of, oh my God, that's too crazy. No, go do what your soul is telling you to do. You're connected to guidance. You're connected to source. Listen and act. So that is it. I want you to tell me which one of the 4 that we talked about today, 7 through number 4, which ones are you doing? Which ones are you like, oh, I'm choosing not to do this anymore? Thank you. What was an aha moment for you? Tell me, #AlignedSoul, #LiveMyBestLifeNow. Tell me what you are getting out of these videos. What's your most favorite out of the 4 that you're like, I'm no longer doing this. I choose to no longer do this. I choose to do something different. Okay? And then I want you to share this. Subscribe, hit the bell, and then forward this video, share this video on your Facebook page or on your Twitter or in your Instagram, whatever you do, share this with someone else. On your LinkedIn, share this with someone who would love to hear this and love to know the 7 things that they are doing that could be limiting them from creating and being and stepping into what's already available to them right now. So, hugs, kisses, all of the feels. Remember to take your aligned soul action today. And in the next video, I will go down the number 3 reasons why you aren't manifesting. You aren't allowing into your life the things that will help you live your best life now. The things that you're doing to stop that, to slow it down. So, hugs, kisses, and all the feels. And I will talk to you soon. Bye.